Hi, it's Junk Journal and Jen. Well, hello. I just wanted to pop on here real quick and show you some yummies I got. I finally broke down, you guys, and did the whole SHEIN order. I just wanted some random things that I could use, especially for TikTok. And I also wanted some butterflies in that because I don't have like machines to cut out butterflies and things like that. So I wanted to get some things. I've always wanted this wax thing too. So let me show you what I got. Yeah. Well, I got us because, you know, this is a you and me thing, friends. So I got this mat to go ahead and make some of these. And I can, you know, press them myself. I'm so excited. I thought I would just really bring you guys along while I open everything and set it up. I got this little baby. And I bought a friend so she won't be alone. So now it's just two friends. And then these are our little things. I want to see what these look like. So it looks like we got... looks like maybe an angel, a flower. I mean, it's a paw print. It's cute with heart. A rose. We can see that. Did you guys see the rose? That's cool. Then we got, it looks like a city. That one is, I think that's a unicorn. And if that is a unicorn, let me know if you want that, because I won't be using it ever. I know me. There's a deer. There's an angel, like a cherub. The crown. I'll be using that one a ton. That one in the rose. Oh, and the tree. Actually, that's you know how you blow those things in the air? Like oh my gosh, I forgot what it's called. And then I told my husband, I said, this one looks like marijuana. He said it is. It might be what do you call those at Christmas time? I'm going to stamp it and see what it looks like, but it does look like marijuana. So, anyways, got those. Got these little things. Got our little burner. I already have candles, so we're good there. I got these ceiling deer. These are clear. You can actually get these on on Amazon. They are a little bit more expensive, but these are cute. So I got those, and I got the beads, all those different colors. And on the side of that, I went ahead and picked up the gold, and I picked up one other color. I'm not seeing it right now, but don't know. It's somewhere. It probably fell down. We'll see it in a minute. So I got all of those belongings there. These are the stickers to blow on that. Then I got these washi tape. I wanted to go ahead and open these. Be ready to open this. Be ready for the morning. Very nice. Then we don't have to worry about opening it. Goes right, look at that. Perfect, ready to peel. Yay. All right, and we got two more. Let's open them. So I thought I would come and be with y'all while I open this. This is romantic, it says. I'm gonna keep that sticker for our junk journaling. How have you all been? Will you please do me a favor and comment on this video? I thank you all. I'm overwhelmed with how many of you have just really started commenting in the last couple of days and just helping me out. I adore you. I love you. I appreciate you. I thank you for all of the last minute orders too. And you know I've been a sluckerillo about getting the orders out. And honestly, I haven't. I've been fairly sick. I only really have gotten to talk to one person this week. And, you know, it happens. Some weeks it's like, oh, I'm great all week. And then other weeks it's like, ooh. You know, and whenever I talk to someone on the phone, I do my best to be really positive. And even though I'm in excruciating pain, I try not to, you know, live out of the pain. So, yeah. God's good, though. So, I got to see my daughter this week. That's always a blessing. Another nice sticker for our junk journaling. And big doctor's appointment tomorrow. So, I'm hoping for that to be good. It's a nice tape. I'll leave that one on there. Cool. Love that. Okay, now these little things, I wasn't sure where to really, like, where should I put them, have them? So I'm thinking about this little book. So it's close on my desk. So I have all stamps in here. Stamps, right? And then my one girlfriend had given me a whole bunch of stuff from, see how it's like the clear ones? Actually, that's from Sparkle. Sparkle gave me these. So Sparkle gave me those. Gosh, these are all full. And all these people. Sparkle gave me all these people back here too. I forgot. Wow. This is really filled up, y'all. Well, it looks like I got some extra spots. There's one. Okay, well, I got a couple free envelopes. So I was thinking these. And I love them. They're just really lightweight little papers. Let me put this tape so it doesn't distract y'all. Just little lightweight papers. Because I got some serious collage work that I need to be doing. It's like, I don't know what to do tonight. It's like, ooh, my whole envelope was coming apart. It's like, oh, do I do a new, a collage piece tonight? Or a Bible tassel? There we go. Oh, and there's the back of this one too. So we'll use the front of this one real quick. Nice. And then we could use that as a tag later. Gotta keep those little things and use them as a tag. And then we got some butterflies. Gotta love butterflies. I do. And there's a whole bunch right here. So why don't we put those with them? Check these out. Aren't those cute? I mean, these are really nice. Look at that. Hollowed out Hollowed out. Oh, I cannot wait to use these in the morning. Oh, it's gonna be so much fun. Okay, so we're gonna move these butterflies over. We still got some Prima Marketing butterflies in there. These I had to cut out. Cute. Get those in here. And we'll put one more away. And I'll let y'all go. I don't want to keep you on here too long. I want to try and keep all of our videos fairly short. So I got some heart lockets, regular locks. Love those. And keys. Cute. I wish there was another slot. It's okay, I'll put more in here. There we go. Lockets and keys are in. And what else do we have? Oh, we got more butterflies. These are stickers though. So what I did is I got this for stickers. Which one? This one. A little in here. All the crinkly noises, huh, guys? Make you fall asleep. Be so relaxing. There we go. Oh, I love that. Cute. And I had gotten a container. Oh, I got a container for that. I forgot. And for these. Oh, I didn't show this. There are some things I didn't show on my video. Oh, well. That's okay. That is okay. All right, so I got something for this and this and this and this. All right, let me grab it. At the $99.25 store. Now they're calling it the 5 quarter store. They have these little cute containers for going back to school. Oops, I just broke this one. So anyways, you pop them down. Let me see if I can get this one back on. Yep, okay. And open up. And I just wanted to be able to have this stuff kind of out. So I did buy bigger ones too, just in case. I had a feeling that was going to happen. So I got this cute, they hollowed out the edges. I do have this punch, I just have never used it, and I need to use it. But isn't this paper cute? I'm gonna take this off. So I wanted to see how this paper was, so I can see how to do it honestly myself. So I'm gonna put that in there. And then I don't know what this is, but let's have a cutesy look-see. So cute. Like little papers. They're like little French papers too. They're very delicate. Wow. So cute. And there's all these little tchotchkes. Oh, love that. I'm ready to journal. I'm ready to make the next collage. Okay, so, oh, I'm going to throw this in there too, I think. So these are just pictures. But they're so cute. They're like little Polaroids, but they're stickers. So aren't those cute? So we'll stick those in here. Since it's nice and free. And we'll reopen this up because we got these little papers that I got. I know this is a cute little box and everything, but I don't want to keep this in here. Aren't those cute? Oh, these are so stinking cute. How little. Wow, these make everything better. You know? Oh my goodness. These are awesome. All right, those are going in there. Bye, little box. All right, I think that's all I got, friends. Like, you know, in the paper realm. All the rest is seal, and then there's just lace. It's all for making tassels, which you guys have seen me make a ton of those lately. I am the tassel girl right now. So yeah, I'm gonna actually get this together. You like that whistling? Oh, here's the pink I was trying to show y'all. I'm showing you guys real behind the scenes. It's getting messy around here. This is gonna be fun. I'm gonna be a little chemist for sure. These are those ballerina papers. Let's take a look at them. So cute. And I'm loving, honestly, I know you guys may think my desk is dirty, but it's actually clean. It's looking really good. And they look like they're like antiqued on the side. Oh, those are cute. Okay, we are done with that for the memento. Love it. Love everything that just happened. Love it all. So I just wanted to show you guys my little haul, my little washi sticker chiffon haul. Thought I'd open all the crinkles with you. So nice to have the chiffon already cut. Because cutting it, I cut it really crooked. Look at this lace. That's beautiful. Beautiful, and it's really durable. I want to say it was 60 cents. This is just plain. Like, just plain cheap lace. That one's really nice. This one's a big flat lace. Love that. I'll use it. I use lace for everything, y'all. Okay, what else? Oh, we were opening. How did I get... I don't know what this is for. Oh, I got an X. This is my stamper. Okay. Got it. I was wondering what that was. I love this color. It's like a peachy. Yeah, a peachy color this time instead. Where last time it came with a brown. And I bought that at, what do you call it? Goodwill. So now I know where the person had bought it. Yay. Now everything is officially open. That's a cute lace. I can't wait to use that. Or trim, I mean. Can't wait to use that. All right, everybody. Thanks, friends. Thanks for always joining me and supporting me. Please comment. Please like this video. And yeah, this is where I finally got the stuff. I'm going to give it a go. Try and give it a go. I don't know if I should video. I'll try one real quick for hubby comes home. I'll come back. Love you guys. Comment, please. I'll see you. I'll come back and I'll do this.